Have you ever thought about starting your own garden? Imagine having your very own outdoor sanctuary, abundant with fresh produce and a place to unwind. Gardening is not just about growing plants, but also about growing your well-being. It improves mental health, provides a sense of accomplishment, and beautifies your surroundings. And the best part, it's something everyone can do, no matter your age or experience. So, let's embark on this green adventure together. With these easy steps, anyone can start their own garden, regardless of their age or experience. The first step in starting a garden is choosing the right spot. It's important to find a location that bathes in plenty of sunlight during the day, boasts good soil, and is within easy reach. Think about the size of the garden you want. Do you dream of a sprawling vegetable patch or a compact container garden on your patio? Also, consider the types of plants you're keen on growing. Some love the sun, others prefer the shade. Remember, a good location is the foundation of a successful garden. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Begin by removing any weeds or grass, as they can compete with your plants for nutrients. Next, enrich the soil by adding compost or other organic matter. This step is crucial as it boosts soil fertility, providing your plants with the nutrients they need to grow. Remember, quality soil is like a nourishing home for your plants, and a good home leads to good growth. Well-prepared soil is the key to healthy, thriving plants. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to plant. Whether you're using seeds or young seedlings, remember to space them properly. Too close, they compete; too far, they waste space. As for depth, a general rule of thumb is to plant seeds 3 times as deep as their width. And don't forget to choose plants that are right for your climate and soil conditions. It's all about creating the best possible environment for your green friends. With your plants in the ground, you're well on your way to a flourishing garden. Starting a garden is just the beginning. Maintaining it is where the real fun begins. It's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the delightful duties of garden maintenance. First things first, watering. This is essential for your plant's survival. Water them regularly, but avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Next up, weeding. It's like the housekeeping of your garden, keeping it tidy and free from unwanted guests. Regular weeding ensures your plants don't have to compete for nutrients. Then there's fertilizing. Think of it as the food for your plants. A good quality fertilizer provides necessary nutrients, helping your plants to grow strong and healthy. The secret to a thriving garden is time. Spend time in your garden, observe your plants, understand their needs. You'll be able to spot any signs of trouble early and take action. And let's not forget the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Whether it's a beautiful bloom or a juicy tomato, it's your reward for the hard work. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every moment of it. Now go out there and start your gardening adventure.